Once a poor person came to the non-Muslims asking for help. Tempting to be facetious, they sent him to the fourth Caliph of Islam, Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who was nearby. The person presented himself and forwarded his request. In reply, our master Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu recited salāt upon the Prophet ﷺ 10 times and blew upon the poor person's palm. Now close your hand and open it in front of those who sent you, he explained. The non-Muslims laughed and wondered what this could do. When the poor person opened his hand before them, it was full of dinars. Many disbelievers became Muslims after beholding these miracles. Sallu alal Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.